So here it is, the power bank jump starter. Alright, time to open it up. So it comes with this case. Nice little pouch that. And you get the manual there. There's the jump start leads. I forgot what they call these connectors, but they use them on RC cars as well. There's some sort of instructions on how to jump start using it. A USB car adapter there to charge the unit itself. That's a micro USB cable, and that's it. And here's the power bank itself. So this was £60 this cost me. So there it is. Alright, I'm going to turn it on for the first time. So we've got 3 bars, and altogether there's 4 bars, as you can see. So you got a torch there. And on this unit you got, don't know if you can see that. So on the unit you got the input to charger is USB, micro USB, and you got a USB type C output, and you got a standard USB output as well. So this is where you put the jumper leads. Put it in there. So you put the jumper leads in there. But the RC connectors of this, I think they're called EC3 something. They don't have that middle plug. So I wonder what that middle plug actually does. I wonder. Should be interesting. But we will soon find out. Actually, I don't think it does anything, because look, plus, we got negative, positive, and all that is a circle, so I'm not sure what that actually is. But we'll do some further testing and I'll find out. Alright, let's turn it on now. See when it's turned on, you see them flashing, and that flashing means it's ready to jump start the vehicle. That's what that flashing means. Ready for jump start. And you got 11.33 volts coming out of it. I'm guessing when it's fully charged it'll be a bit more than that, I'm guessing. There's the 12 volt, my guess. Let's plug that out. Gotta be careful, I don't want to short these out. .37 volts coming out of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a plug for this. I'm going to get some spare plugs so I can use this to power my air inflator to pump my bicycle tires using this power pack. Because the inflator I got, that runs on 12 volts, so it should work. And it should supply enough amperage to power the inflator as well. Alright, so it's fully charged now. Just got to measure the voltage with it fully charged. So as you can see, it's fully charged and it's 12.38 volts. So what I've done is I made a lead so I can use that port to power things. All this is a Dean's connector, a female Dean's connector with some plugs on the end of it. So what I do is plug it in there, and there you go. And these connectors, I don't know what they're called, but I'll put them under the description, I'll find out. I bought these from some air show I went to, where they had the radio controlled planes and all sorts. That's what those are. And those will slide right on there, snug. Right, so here's my air compressor, and that 12 volt air compressor, as you know, that's the plug it's got on it. And I bought this lighter socket thing from the pound shop, and what I've done was opened it up, took out the USB thing in it, because that was no good anyway, soldered a cable onto it, fit the cable, and I put a Dean's lead on the end of it. So that Dean's lead, this male Dean's lead, will plug in there like that. And now I can use this power bank to power my air compressor.